All right. For Machine 3 of Computer Engineering Drafting and Design following our syllabus, so we'll now be working on electrical, electronic, and logic components. So I understand medyo familiar naman kayo with this kasi you have other courses on top of our course na Computer Engineering Drafting and Design. So ang goal ng ating experiment is for you to identify yung mga common electrical and electronic symbols and then explain natin yung function ng basic logic gate. So very common yung basic logic gates, yung AND or NOT. And then the rest of the fundamental logic gates. And then apply natin yung knowledge natin of components in schematic diagrams. So as for the background, yung electrical electronic symbol, so these are standardized icons that we are using in circuit diagrams katulad ng resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor. Yung logic gates naman, these are the fundamental building blocks of digital circuits. As computer engineering students, lagi nyung ma-encounter yung logic gates. Meron tayong AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, and then XNOR gate. And then for the schematic diagrams, basically it is a graphical representation ng electrical and electronic circuits showing how components are connected. So in preparation as well for your thesis, definitely gagawa ka doon ng schematic circuit or diagram. So dapat familiar ka with the commonly used electrical electronic components or symbols. Ang ating problem statement ay simple lang. So you have to design a digital door lock system gamit yung basic electronic components and logic gates. So again so pag sinabing gamit yung basic electronic components, ito na yun. And then these are also the logic gates. The lock should open only when the correct combination of inputs, example switches, is provided. So example, for the experiment task, yung part A, identify mo yung symbol. Gagawin mo lang, maglilist ka lang. And then magdodraw ka ng at least 10. 10 lang you can go beyond. Common electrical electronic symbols katulad ng resistor, capacitor, diode, LED, transistor, switch, ground, battery, etc. Yan, pakita mo more than just telling na this is a resistor, pakita mo yung symbol. Then, lagyan mo ng label yung bawat symbol clearly. And then, syempre, explain mo din naman, i-describe mo para saan ba yung mga symbol na yon. Yung part 2 naman, logic gate functions, in the same, ganun din, explain mo ano ba yung AND or XOR gates and the other gates like NAND, NOR, XNOR, 'di ba? So, and then explain din po natin yung gate. Then pakita rin natin yung symbol. Then explain mo yung functions in simple terms. Yung part C natin is kakansa ka ng simple diagram of a digital door lock system using switches as inputs that represents the password digits and logic gates to validate the correct combination and LED as the output lock open indicator. So, ang expected output po natin, syempre, neatly drawn and labeled electrical electronic symbols. So, it's up to you. Pwede mo siyang i-hand draw or pwedeng gumamit ka ng available tools online or mag-install ka ng EDA tool for you to draw. And then gawa ka ng truth table, correctly filled for AND or XOR gates and the other gates. Then schematic diagram, clear logical representation of the door lock system. So binigay ko rin yung procedure. Yung first part, yung symbol identification, pwede ka mag-open ng drawing tool. So suggestion lang to, pwede kang gumamit ng ibang tool. Just mention kung anong tool yung ginamit po natin. Like Visio, Draw.io, Lucid Chart. Then gawa ka ng blank canvas and mag-drawing ka ng at least 10 standard electrical electronic symbols katulad ng resistor, capacitor, diode, LED, transistor, switch, ground, battery, etc. Usually, mga available din naman na mga EDA tool, available na yung mga symbols na ito, i-click and drag lang din po natin. Then label each symbol clearly, then save the diagram for submission. As you know, screenshot lang ulit ang gagawin natin, nilalagay natin dun sa report natin. Yung part number 2 natin is logic gate function. So, pwede kang gumamit ng Logisim. Download mo lang po yan. Readily available yan. Or any digital logic simulator. Place AND or XOR gates on the workspace and then connect input switches and output LED so that you could visualize gate behavior. Pwede mong i-test yung mga possible input combinations like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Kasi ito, pag nakakita ka ng truth table, these are the input arguments and then kung anong combination ng inputs natin, meron siyang epekto doon sa output, whether iilaw or hindi yung output po natin. So that's the purpose of the logic gates. And then record natin yung truth tables for each the gate. And then save natin yung screenshots ng simulation results. And then yung part C natin is schematic diagram nga ng digital door lock system. So gamit ka rin ng Logisim or Proteus Design Suite or whatever EDA tool available that you would like to use. And then place input switches representing the password digits. Connect them to logic gates and or XOR NAND, etc. to validate the correct combination. Then connect the output on LED lock open indicator. Test mo lang yung circuit by toggling the switches to simulate entering the password. So, nag-change ka ng combination, di ba, for you to test kung tama yung password or not. Then you just have to verify the LED lights up only when the correct combination is entered. Otherwise, hindi ilaw yung mga LED lights natin. Then save ulit natin schematic diagram and sim results. So these are some of the suggested tools. You can go beyond. Pwede kang gumamit ng Logisim for digital logic simulation ng logic gates, routable schematic diagrams. Proteus for professional level electronic circuit design and simulation, Visio, Draw.io, Lucidchart for drawing neat block diagrams and schematic representations, and pwede rin naman yung Pritsync for beginner-friendly tool for breadboard and schematic diagrams. Kapag nagawa na po natin yun, syempre meron tayong simple challenge, pero meron din naman ako nilagay na procedure how to do that. So gawa ka lang ng a 2-bit binary adder circuit. Requirements, gamit ka ng logic gates and or XOR to design a circuit that simply adds 2-bit binary numbers AI, A1, A0 plus B1, B0. So meaning to say, ito yung tinutukoy dito na 2 bits. Kaya yung A natin may 0 at saka 1 dito, 2 bits kasi yung A and then 2 bits din yung ating B, may B0, B1. Then pakita mo yung block diagram ng system, create a truth table for the possible inputs. So since 2 po ito, meron tayong 2 raised to 2, meron tayong 4 possible combinations. Draw mo yung schematic diagram using proper electronic symbols and then indicate mo yung outputs for the sum S1, SO, and carry for the C. Pwede mo rin namang i-search, available po yan sa internet, ano po ba yung 2-bit binary adder circuit. And then, for the procedure, open mo ulit yung Logisim, place mo yung switches A1, A0, B1, B0 as the inputs, di ba? Then gamit ka ng XOR gates for some outputs kasi ang purpose ng XOR gate ay to compare whether the values are the same or not. And then gamit ka rin ng AND OR gates per carry logic. So the purpose of the AND gate is for multiplication, OR gate is for the addition. Then connect natin yung outputs to LEDs kasi nga LED will be used for you to determine kung iilaw siya or hindi or true or false, 'di ba? Then label natin siya as S1, S0 and then C. Create a truth table for all the input combinations, test the circuit by toggling again or changing the values of the inputs and verifying the outputs and then save the schematic diagram and the truth table. So in the same way, kailangan ko lang ng problem specification. Part 2 could be a theory. Part 3 is the results and discussion. Screenshot mo lang yung results na kailangan ko with proper label and proper paragraph explanation or sentence explanation and then conclusion. Thank you very much.